Look at some of the Chinese characters, right? Obviously the written language is written up of symbols. Each symbol means certain things, and if you make combinations of certain symbols to make larger symbols, they often have
different words.
And different meanings, etc. And we're going to show several modern Chinese characters that show the ancient Chinese actually knew the gospel. Found in the book of Genesis, and so
amazing.
Yeah, we'll look in this book, Oracle Bones Speak. You can see hundreds of examples like this. The book, you can find it at creation.com at the resource area. But let's look at this. Okay, so we're looking at the word for boat here. Okay, now it's made up of three separate other graphics here. One is a vessel. One is the number 8, and one is people.
The question that arises is, why would the word boat be composed of those other smaller words?
Of 8 people on a boat. Why is it, a large boat? And so we look at Genesis 6:9. It says, 8 people survived the flood on this boat. Yeah, why would that be? That's pretty arbitrary in a sense, right?
Kind of like the history of Genesis is built into the word large boat. That's referring to more of a large boat.
Why would the number 8 be there? Well, Noah's 3 sons and their wives, right? Let's look at this word for to covet or desire. Well, here we have the symbol for 2 trees plus a woman, and that equals to covet or desire.
Again, you got to ask the question, why would 2 trees plus a woman equal the word to covet?
Right. Why isn't it 2 gold or 2 diamond rings plus woman equals covet desire? Well, why isn't it something else? Why is it 2 trees? Right? Well, Genesis 3:6 says, so when the woman saw that the tree was good for food and that it was a delight to the eyes, well, she coveted it, right?
Coveting,
yeah, like that. Okay, well, let's look at another one. How about the word forbidden, to warn? Well, here again we have the 2 trees, which is again, see, it would be enough of a coincidence the first time, but to have 2 trees again that symbolize something like this, and then God, that's the word for forbidden or to warn. Well, Genesis 2:16-17 says, you may surely eat of every tree of the garden, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat, for in the day that you eat of it you shall surely die.
It's forbidden.
It's forbidden, and there was a warning there. Again, why would 2 trees have anything to do with that? Fascinating information you can check out on an article on our website called Chinese Characters and Genesis. You can find that at creation.com/characters.